Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a very strong tincture tonight for the liver. And what I'm using is dandelion roots, turmeric leaf, licorice root, ginger root, and burdock root. So I'm going to put some of these, like, for instance the turmeric leaf, I'm going to bust it up into my buster. Put that in. So, a lot of sicknesses that we have, guys, are due to a dirty liver. Like some of the symptoms, when the liver is tired, injured, or overloaded, a series of symptoms can come up, like constipation, acne, rash to the skin, chronic gastritis, hormonal problems, morning sickness, irritability, depression, anger and stress, hepatitis, spasms, yellow skin and eyes, nausea, dark colored urine, frequent headaches, irregular and lighter stool, nose bleeding, anemia, white nails, vomiting, painful breathing, and chronic fatigue. So if you have any of these symptoms or a bunch of them, most likely it's because your liver is dirty. I'm going to just turn on my buster for a second. That's good. I'll put the rest of the turmeric leaf in my buster here. And I'm going to add some of the ginger roots too to bust that up a little bit. The rest of them are pretty good. So I'm just going to bust that up, guys, and take another second here. Why is my buster not working? Okay, there we go. Okay, that's good enough. So basically I'm going to add the turmeric leaf and the ginger to my mason jar right now. There it is, busted up. You don't have to be real particular because the alcohol is going to macerate it anyhow. I'm using 100 proof alcohol. So that's going to macerate everything because roots are hard to break down, but doing a tincture with the alcohol will help macerate the roots. So we've got those two in there. We've got the turmeric leaf, the ginger roots. I'm going to put some licorice root in there now. All these ingredients will make your liver squeaky clean. So this tincture, if you took 3 to 4, even up to 6 eyedroppers a day, will help a bunch. So I'm going to put some dandelion roots in now. And then I'm going to add some burdock roots, which is already all nice and powdered up. So this is going to be a really strong tincture. I'm going to add my alcohol. And fill it up right to the top because these roots, actually, they'll expand too. So this will macerate everything and break it down. Just going to give it a little stir. Get the air bubbles out. Make sure it's all mixed up nicely because that burdock root is powder, so I want to make sure that's mixed nicely and not just sitting on the bottom pumping. That's looking pretty good there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cap this and label it and smell it. It smells really good. So I'm going to cap it and label it. And I'm going to put that in a dark spot, cool dark spot, for 4 to 6 weeks. If I remember, I'm going to shake it daily, if I remember. If not, it's not a big deal. Just shaking it extracts it a little faster. So 4 to 6 weeks is what this tincture goes for. I might even let it go for 8 weeks. The longer you let it go, the better it is. So if you're having any of those symptoms, guys, You might want to clean your liver. You might want to make a nice tincture like this.